Pakistan meets France with chocolate Pani Puri, which is a popular street food in Pakistan.
If you like chocolate and orange,
that's for you.
To make the puri or fried dough ball, mix semolina flour, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, a pinch of baking soda and salt, and periodically add water until the dough comes together like this. It should be quite dense. Let this rest for about 20 minutes before rolling it out and cutting out circles around this size and frying it at 375 for about a couple of minutes or until it puffs up. Unfortunately, I think with the addition of cocoa powder, it doesn't puff up as much. Now, to make the chocolate mousse, we're gonna add
chocolate, butter, and we're going to let that melt. Orange zest to the chocolate and butter mixture. The egg yolks and fold them into the chocolate. The egg whites to the mixer with a pinch of salt. And now let's add the sugar to firm them up. Let's fold 1/3 of the egg whites. Now let's fold the remaining of the egg whites.
Now to make the pani portion of this dish, we're going to make something called sabayon.
My sugar, egg yolks, orange juice, vanilla, and some orange zest. Whisk it over a double boiler until it becomes a thick ribbon. When the sabayon is ready, we're going to put it into an ice icon.
In addition to the chocolate mousse and sabayon, we're going to segment an orange and dice this up. We'll also make a caramel puffed rice by adding sugar and water into a saucepan until it gets kind of thick, and then pour this over puffed rice, mix it, and then put it back on the stovetop until it turns nice and caramel brown. Lastly, for garnish, we're going to make this cotton candy or sugar string. It's basically caramel, and you dip 2 forks and quickly flick this over a bowl.
Who came up with this?
I don't know, some French person.
After it's all flicked, you'll notice it makes these spider webs or fiberglass, call it what you will. All you have to do now is carefully fold it up and set it aside for now. Now we can assemble. Let's poke a hole in our puri, and then at the bottom of this, you want to fill it up with your chocolate mousse, followed by the sabayon, and then pieces of our orange, puffed rice, and top it off with this beautiful crown of sugar. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy.